Hi guys!
Aniq here.
Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have a brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro.
Here. You guys can see it here.
Yeah. So this one has the 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, 10 core CPU, GPU. So this is the baseline one.
So this one here, like Ali said, this is a base model of the 16-inch. It has the new M1X processor, and here you guys can see the front of the box.
So as usual, the Apple logo on the side, and yeah, MacBook Pro. So let's open it. So what color do we have it? Put this here.
So here you guys can see the MacBook.
Let's
take it out. Okay.
Looks like it's in space gray, but we'll see about that later. Oh, so now they have it in a braided USB-C to Thunderbolt MagSafe 3 port, and it's braided, which is nice.
And then they also have this bigger like
brick power.
140 watt brick.
Okay, which is USB-C to the MagSafe 3.
And then
let's see what else we have.
And then we have this box, which let's open it.
Okay.
Okay, so this has black Apple stickers.
So that means the small strap gonna be space gray. The silver ones has white stickers.
Manual thing and warranty cover.
Okay.
So like Ali said, it now comes with a braided MagSafe cable. So instead of having all Thunderbolt, this actually has multiple other ports. Okay. Put up, Ali. And now onto the computer.
Whoa. Up. Okay. Wow. So I was right. It was in space gray.
So here you guys can see it. Over here
we have a MagSafe 3, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a headphone jack. And on the other side, we have an HDMI port, a USB, Thunderbolt 4 port, and a SD card reader, which is in such.
So you guys can see, here's the.
You don't need any more adapters. Oh.
Bottom.
Oh wow, that's cool. It says MacBook Pro. And then there's a four
legs, and now
the screws are easier to be accessed.
Okay. Let's turn it around. Okay.
And it's also in a square now. It's like more boxy.
Now boxed up, and it's way more thick.
Yeah.
So now let's
open it. And the black keyboard.
So it opens up like that.
Okay.
And you guys can see here it has the black keyboard with this. It still has the big one. It has the butterfly switches. This has the same keyboard as the previous, what's it called? As a Magic Keyboard.
And they also removed the touch bar. And there's fingerprint Touch ID on the top right corner of the keyboard.
Okay, so you guys can see the keyboard. There's fingerprint here. And then you see the screen up here. It has a
notch
here. Now on top has a notch, which you can go under and stuff. It's really unnoticeable, and it's actually pretty dark to the background, so it looks really weird. And and then you see how usually nothing goes up here to the taskbar, so it doesn't really disturb you.
Unless you add some few things. And
yes,
yep.
Here's the whole computer. It's pretty cool. Okay.
And so this has 16 GB.
We have RAM. It has a 10-core CPU, 16-core GPU, right, like said here, and then it also comes with an almost 4K display, the Pro XDR display, liquid retina, so it's 120 hertz. So it's really good. It does have a couple of like issues, I guess you could say, like how your mouse like as sometimes the stuff on the taskbar goes under the notch and you can't access it. But overall, it's a really great improvement from the last gen Intel ones, especially with the new added ports and everything.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.